Easier said than done is a commonly used idiom that conveys the notion that something may sound simple or straightforward when described or suggested, but in reality, it is much more difficult or challenging to accomplish. It emphasizes the disparity between talking about a task or problem and actually carrying it out successfully. This idiom recognizes the complexities, obstacles, or skills required to achieve a desired outcome. The phrase easier said than done implies that words alone do not suffice to overcome the inherent difficulties or complexities involved in a particular endeavor. It suggests that taking action, making decisions, or implementing plans can be far more demanding than merely discussing or suggesting them. This idiom serves as a reminder that practical execution often involves unforeseen obstacles, personal limitations, or external factors that complicate the process. In various aspects of life, this idiom finds its relevance. For instance, when someone advises another to adopt a healthier lifestyle, they may say, "You should exercise regularly and eat a balanced diet." While this advice seems simple, it neglects the challenges of changing habits, finding time, or resisting temptations. It highlights the fact that transforming one's lifestyle is not as easy as merely articulating the advice. Another example could be in the context of entrepreneurship. Someone might say, "You should start your own business and be your own boss." However, this statement overlooks the numerous challenges involved in starting and running a successful business, such as financial risks, market competition, and long working hours. It emphasizes that venturing into entrepreneurship requires much more than just the idea itself. Furthermore, this idiom can apply to personal development and overcoming fears. People might encourage others to face their fears or step out of their comfort zone. While these suggestions may sound empowering, they fail to acknowledge the emotional and psychological barriers that individuals may encounter. It reminds us that conquering fears or breaking habits is a complex and gradual process, often involving setbacks and resilience. In conclusion, the idiom easier said than done encapsulates the reality that actions speak louder than words. It serves as a reminder that executing plans, making changes, or achieving goals is often more challenging than merely talking about them. It acknowledges the obstacles, complexities, and personal limitations that can hinder progress. By understanding this idiom's essence, we can approach tasks and problems with a realistic mindset, prepared to face the difficulties that may arise along the way.